Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come this website. You can see this is officially website of Gigabyte www.gigabyte.com, and after that you can see this side right hand side third number, this is search button. So just click it and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790D and then hit enter. Then you can see click on the product and this is your motherboard. Then click on the support. So select operating system, Windows 10, 11, both installation process same. Then it is done. Chipset. So install this on serial driver and click to download. And it is completed. Then open and then double click to exe. Then yes. Now this is installing. Wait for a second. It will close automatically when this is installed. Intel IMF installations and click to download. It is completed. Just open it and double click to exe. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed.